Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I just want to show you guys my basement, the house that I'm working on right now. I'm planning to complete this basement, but I wanted to just give you like a tour so you guys can see what I'll be working on. Uh, this is just on part of it. Let me move back a little bit. So it's unfinished basement. It's big. It's going around like that. It's going around. There's two windows right here, that one and then that one. And then I just got a bunch of boxes it's been snowing and windy, so I didn't want to put all these boxes outside because then the wind blows them in my neighbor's yard. But this is like one section, one area. So my plan is to put two bedrooms right there. One is going to be right there, and then another one will be on these areas. And then there's another window right here. I could probably put another bedroom right there, but at the same time, I want to live like a family area, like a living area for somebody who's gonna live here. So it goes like that, and then there's another window on the other side right there. And it goes one like that, and then the furnace is right here. All the plumbing has been rough plumbed right there. If you can see it, that's the cabinet that's gonna go, the kitchen cabinet, vanity sink. It's right there on top of it. Not the kitchen, but the bathroom cabinet is right there. That's gonna go right there, and then the tub is right there. I guess the toilet and the sink is right there. All right, and then that's where the water heater and the furnace is right here still. Good. And everything is on the roof looks like that. All right. So I just wanted to share with you guys my next project. If you enjoy seeing stuff like this, please feel free to subscribe, follow me, and we can do all this together. I'm not a pro in any way, shape, or form, but just learning how to do it, and I love to learn and do things by myself. And I don't know if you guys ever heard about radon. I take radon gas. You can see it right here. Let's just go radon. So right here, radon gas. So we had to install radon gas, like mitigating thing in the house. So right here, when they tested it, it was kind of high in the basement for some reason. I don't understand this guys because my neighbor, the neighbors are this one house here, say they didn't have it. They didn't have to put this. Yeah, but I do have this in here installed. And if you are looking for somebody that's super good, this company right here, they did a good job installing this. So they installed it inside this sump in the basement. If you can hear that hissing sound, the fan is blowing all that right in through this pipe all the way outside. Yep, wanted to share that. And then there's this machine right here, like a sensor. They're sensing if it's high or not. So, but I've heard of radon causes cancer and all that kind of stuff, so it's nice to get it all figured out and mitigated. So there it is. This is the basement. I'll be working on this here in a couple of weeks, months. Yeah, I have a full-time job, but this I do on site because I love to figure things out and fix things myself. All right. This is how it looks. Big basement. If I stand right here, Let me stand right on the corner here by where the bathroom is gonna be. So it looks like that. That's a window right here. It goes like that, and then it goes on. They have the insulation on the wall, and it goes that window right here, and it goes around like that. Then it goes around like that, and then the stairs to go upstairs, right there. All right. Thank you guys. Just wanted to share. If you enjoy stuff like this and like to see how I'll be working on this and what I'm gonna come up with in this basement, hit the subscription button and follow, and we can figure this out together and also learn together. All right. Have a good day. And if you like to watch my other videos of what I'm doing so far, check the other videos as well and see what other projects I've been working on. Later.